Based on your search, life found that is the best alternative really depends on what you value and most for direct substitute and focus on cloud and storage. Mega is a standout for it is generous and free up space and privacy well in Google Drive is best for collaboration. Here is a quick look at the sum tap and contenders and mega west for a generation free storage security offers and 20 GBs free and storage and encryption and good for and storing large personal file and backup and Google Drive is best for collaboration ecosystem offers and 15 GB free and share with Gmail photo and ideas for document editing and a team project and Nest store and not store and invest for the productivity and syncing features and throttling and smart incremental and sync and only uploads in files chances perfect for the office work and team collaboration and peak cloud and good balance for feature and offers up to 10 GB and free with a claim in interface and decent and media and playback and which ones in should we you choose and best general storage and web privacy in mega is a powerful choice is started you with an 20 GB free and it is into an encryption means only you can access your file and offering and storing a privacy focused and alternative on stream and best for collaboration docs and Google drives and it is a top MP because your often work and documents with other is the smallest in integration and with the Google Docs and 15 GB of free storage Mac in excellent for productivity and best for syncing and avoiding limits for an frustration free and experience similar to an on-stream cloud focus and is a solid and option. It is offer great in sync tech and does not throttle and your speed and making file and transfer smooth even on the free plan. Ultimately, and many users find the Western solution to use and combination and this service and for different needs and Google Drive for work, mega and personal and backups.